It didn't last up to 2 weeks, not even 2 weeks. I only used to style outfit in the house and for the right moment. But actually, I was saving it for the right time when my neck will. Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be doing pretty much a haul. I've collected these things over the months, maybe January, this is February. So I'm going to be sharing some of the things I actually got recently into my closet that I've been loving. I love, and some of them I may not really like them, but well, they're part of my closet right now. So let's get into what I got and what things I collected. If you're new here, my name is Magdalene. On the channel I talk about fashion, travel, and lifestyle. And I believe if you look good, you feel your best. So yeah, this or maybe jewelry haul or maybe jewelry heavy haul because I collected a lot of all a lot of jewelry just to elevate my look. I've told you guys about how jewelry has a way of just adding the juice to your look. So yeah, the first jewelry I'm going to talk about is this set of earring. I actually wore this yesterday. So this pearl set has always been giving me life in my closet. I love this pearl set. I've been wearing it back to back to back. So this particular one, the issue I have with my pearl necklaces, though I saw the look when I actually got it, but I know I have a very small wrist. So this um bracelet does not fit. The pearl bracelet does not fit as much. So yeah, but I decided not to let it go because I can actually dress up my daughter. She's going to wear it as an own neck chain. But anyway, it's a very nice set of pearl necklace. It comes with its own ring, gives me this old woman vibe or old money vibes. Then my comes the earring set and the necklace. So this set I love. I always use it to elevate. Set of earring are both Vivian West, which I got from a thrift store. I've always loved Vivian Westwood for a very long time. So I saw this. I've always wanted it. This Vivian Westwood necklace, which is Orbits. So yeah, this necklace I've always wanted to have in my closet. So I was looking out to either get the real thing or go for the thrift. I was able to find the thrift, a very fine necklace. So the issue with this necklace, beautiful, nice, superb, and I love it. Nice silver, it shines. You can see the very nice shine to it and all that. My issue with this necklace is the fact that it doesn't sits well, doesn't give me that fuller neck I see on the internet ladies that are wearing it. And that's not on the jewelry, that's on me because I really slimmed down recently. So this is not sitting the way I wanted to sit. So it seems I think I'm saving it for the right moment. But actually I was saving it for the right time when my neck fuller. But this is a very nice necklace to have. This is not just one necklace you just wear because you're going to work or going out. This is more like special occasion necklace, you know. One thing about Vivian Westwood necklaces, they have this nice orbit that shines. There are gold versions and silver versions, but this is really nice. But this is my go-to Vivian Westwood necklace, which I wear back to back to back. It's a very nice vintage style Vivian Westwood necklace. I love this necklace. I wear it back to back to back. When I saw this particular necklace, I realized that it is unique. It has this safety pin design on it. I was like, this is something I would love to have in my closet. So I said to get it into my closet. So since then, since I can't wear this because it's not full enough for my neck and also it's more like an occasion wear, this is my go-to whenever I want to go to work. Like I've always been getting nice compliments since I've been wearing this necklace, which I love. So there's one thing. Your jewelry will always elevate your look. Like if I can just dress a basic dress and whenever I throw on jewelry, I'm going to be certain why I actually got it. I know I have a long chain necklace like this one. I have another one that is made of fabric. I said to get this one because I wanted to recreate a look I saw on Janelle Monáe on a Grammy red carpet look, and the design she was wearing was perfect. So I wanted to recreate something similar and the vibe. I will set the picture for you guys to see and also what I was able to recreate. So this I did another long chain necklace to be able to get that vibe. As was having something like black design on it, and like I got something that has the same shape or vibe but it's brown and I'm like okay, this can stay in my closet. So yeah, it's a very nice fun necklace to have. One thing about long necklaces that they always elevate your look. Like it's very easy to just style, throw on and go. And you can see I'm wearing just a simple house dress and just wearing this for it. It's a very nice way to elevate your look. So I'm so happy I got this. It's come to stay in my closet. It was actually ridiculously cheap because I was like, since I'm requesting a look, I'm not willing to looking to spend for it like it's going to be a statement piece or a staple in my clothes. I just wanted something that if it doesn't work fine, if it works fine, and it worked fine for the look. I think it gave the vibe. I actually put the creation and also the inspiration on YouTube, and the girls seems to like the look I created. So yeah, this jewelry was very into accessories apart from jewelry. So these boots, I told you guys I'm going to get a pair of boots into my closet because I'm loving boots. But I don't want my other boots is more like it's a little bit I are getting close to my maybe like you can call it an ankle boot. But this one is also on that shorter ankle boot. And I'm still looking for something shorter like half of this as ankle boot. But anyway, this is a River Island boot which I got recently into my closet. I love this boot. Well, I got it from the thrift store, and I don't like the fact that it's not. I don't like the balance when I'm walking in it because the balance is just iffy. And I get it. When you get something from the thrift store, there's possibility that it's not the quality that comes with it have already been used out. But anyway, I wanted to get this when I saw it on the Instagram store, but when I saw it on sale, I was supposed to get it with another Croc and Boss boot. But when I saw this one on sale, I had to get this like now because I realized that okay, if it's on sale, like way cheaper than she was selling initially. I don't want to know. I decided to get it into my hair and I love the boot. So I started with my some pieces like I started with my Valentine look that I posted on Instagram and I'm loving how that came out. So this boot is a very nice boot. This kind of boot you can wear with your jeans. You can wear it with your dress pant and this will be picking under it. You can wear it with your dresses if you love to give your outfit an edgy look. Wearing my own boots with dresses is this dupe of um saddlebag, the old saddlebag is a dupe, like a dupe that was so dupe that you assume is a real thing. But find, I know I've said on this channel that I hate counterfeit. I don't like to support counterfeit market. If it's not a dupe or the real thing, even if it's thrift store, I would not get this. But eventually, I realized that this is a counterfeit that I got into my closet. I'm not happy about that. And I've never worn it more than 2 years. I've never worn it out, and it has already fallen apart. So that's the reason the other strap is inside the back strap. This I buy things from you. It's an Instagram brand on the internet, and I discovered that this item I get from you falls apart or so there's something wrong with it. It's over between me and you as a seller. I'm done shopping you, and that's it for that seller. So yeah, this is a disappointment, and I don't like it. I wish it was just a basic tube and it lasts my closet. This didn't last. It didn't last up to 2 weeks, not even 2 weeks. I only used to style outfit in the house. Bag is this Chloe bag. It's a mini shopper's bag which I love. I know I've showed you guys a Chloe bag and that one turns out to be fake. But anyway, this one is a Chloe mini bag which I actually do love. I love this bag. Very sturdy, very beautiful. Like whenever you want to style this bag, it makes me remember going out in a resort at the beach. You know, this is what this bag actually give. That's the vibe it gives me. So it's more like a resort style bag, which I actually love. I wish I could get it in another color, which I will. Maybe in another color like black. The only reason I don't really wear this bag that much is because it does not have a zipper, which is the normal thing. It doesn't have a zipper. It does not have any thing that closes. So I'm like, okay, this bag is not such a bag that you wear whenever you're just gallivanting down the street. Because if you live in a place where it seems to be where pickpockets are, you can just slide their hand into it and your items are gone. So, but this bag is really nice. It comes with a leather strap, which I took out. I'm like, I'm not going to really use a leather strap. But when I'm going to travel or even for a vacation, I'm going to add the leather strap to it and I'll wear it out. For me, when the bag is this open, I wonder why I seen item that I got recently are outfits. So I basically got these two outfits from a thrift store. My experience shopping on Instagram brands, you don't want to know. This particular one, I was stockpiling and buying because I was like, shipping to me is going to be kind of pricey because of the cost of living now. So I decided to stockpile it, and I got this top and another dress. I was even thinking of getting a denim jacket from her, but when I said, okay, let me change my mind and just pay for delivery. That's how I was waiting for my item. The lady who collected the money for delivery ignored me. I had to call her on. I think I threatened her. She was like, okay, I'll dispatch it now. 2 days after, nothing. I have to look for a mobile number to call her and say, babe, I'm beginning to get worried that you may be a scam. But like, no, I'm not a scam. I said not to promote her on my brand because someone that to give me such a terrible experience. I can't tag you on Instagram. I know I have a small following on Instagram, but tagging you, people that are watching me may want to can patronize you, and they discover that they will buy pieces from me, and they will have to start chasing you to get their piece. Anyway, so this a very fun number and top which I love. This top I actually do love and enjoy. My only downside is this red part of it. It's a bodysuit, a black part of it, but it's a bodysuit I don't really like. Black is not my thing. Black I find it boring. I don't find it beautiful. It doesn't catch my attention. It's only when I see it in accessories. But anyway, so this top I love. I'm the one that actually had a safety pin to it. Actually, the way the top came in without the safety pin is a cow neck style bodysuit, which I actually do love. A very fun cow neck, and I love anything cow neck. If you follow me for a while, you know this lady likes a cow neck. So this is how it is originally. So yeah, deep plunging, you can just wear it as much as you can. But I said to add the clip to it, because I don't have enough girls to hold it, and also I'm not going to be flashing anybody while I'm working. So this is a very nice addition to my closet. I styled this severally. I think the first day I wore it a few days to Valentine, and someone was also telling me happy Valentine, like I bought it for Valentine. But anyway, this top, I actually do love. Then let me just use the opportunity to show you this dress. So this dress, when I first saw it on the mannequin, I just knew I loved it. It's just one nice basic dress, and when you see something on someone, it will not fit the way you expect it on your body. But when I brought it home, I saw the dress. I'm like, please, oh, why does it look like the before and after are far from each other? But anyway, so this is a very nice dress, actually, very fun dress. But I was at when I wore this dress, and I just went and showed my husband, and he was like, "Was there what? What is this?" I was like, "I can actually wear this to church." I was like, "No, what kind of church outfit is this? Like this blouse, this dress. When you see it initially, you'll be wondering what type of style is this." But anyway, so I was able to style it with one of my fun statement belts. Then I added the necklace to it, and I wore a boots. So I had to show him again the second time. I was like, "Oh, you can actually wear this out." But anyhow, when you see this dress, initially you will be wondering what is this. But if you're able to style it and give it a little bit of elevation, and this dress, I've not had a moment to just stay it out and wear it. It's a white outfit. It's high maintenance, so you want to step out, and when you come back, you're already looking all dirty and stained. So yeah, this is the reason I've not really styled it, but this dress I actually do love. So which of these new in all or pieces do you actually love? For me, I think my Chloe bag. I love that bag. Then the Vivian Westwood necklaces. Yeah, that one I love. Then my pearl necklaces. Like anything necklace now has me already in a chokehold. I don't really, really like. I think this era I'm in right now, I'm not doing more of outfits because I realize that I'm always closet cleaning, removing out of my closet, and that I will now realize that some outfits I have in my closet that I not really want. Try to get more accessories to see if I can do more. So if you like this